Every year, thousands of newcomers in Canada file their taxes and walk away leaving their real money behind. Not because they did anything wrong, but because nobody told them which benefit actually they are qualified for. CRA issued more than million refunds, averaging $2,000 each. And this year, they have a new benefit that most newcomers have never heard of. It could be worth up to $950 for a single person and up to $2,000 for a family of four, just for filing your tax. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 key benefits newcomer can access by filing in Canada in 2026. And at the end, I'll show you 3 ways you can file your tax completely for free. The deadline is 30 April 2026. So let's make sure you don't miss a single dollar. File a tax return even if you had a little or no income in Canada last year, because the CRA uses your tax return to calculate your benefit payment. Now, before I tell you about the 4 benefits, let's make sure you have everything ready, because the most common reason a newcomer's return get delays is one missing document, and it takes 2 minutes to check. Let's do it right now. You need your SIN, your social insurance number, your T4 slip from your employer showing income and tax deducted. Check on CRA on my account if you haven't received it. Your date of entry in Canada. You only report income earned after this. And if you have children, you need their birth certificates. One thing many newcomers worry about: do you report income earned before you came to Canada? On the benefit application form, yes, you list the worldwide income, but you do not pay Canadian tax or income earned before you arrive late. Good if you have those documents, you are ready. Now let's talk about the money. The first benefit is one that almost every newcomers qualify for. Most people have heard of it, but almost nobody knows it just got a significant upgrade in 2026. The GST credit is a tax-free payment the government sends you every 3 months. It offsets the sale tax you pay on everyday purchases. You do not apply separately. The CRA calculates your eligibility automatically when you file your tax. If you just arrived in Canada and haven't filed your first return yet, you can apply right now using a special form. No children, use form RC151. If you have children, then use C66 form. Mail the completed form to your CRA tax center. Benefit 2 is a brand new benefit in 2026. It could be the biggest single payment you receive this year. The government announced the Canada Groceries and Essential benefit. This year, there is a one-time top-up payment for a single person up to, and if you have a family of 4, you can get up to $1,800 to $1,900. This is on top of your regular GST credit payments. You do not apply separately. If you already receiving GST credit and you file your 2025 tax return, the top-up payment is expected to be sent out by June 2026. That is why filing early matters. The sooner you file, the sooner CRA can process your eligibility. Family size escalation. What comes next in a completely different category? We are talking about monthly tax-free payment, the Canada Child Benefit. CC is a tax-free monthly payment for family raising children under 18. In 2026, the numbers are up to $8,000 per year for each child. As a newcomer, fill out the form RC66 and form RC66SCH. Mail both to your CRA tax center. Most newcomers can start receiving CCB within 11 weeks of submitting. How much you actually receive depends on your family net income. Lower your income means higher payment. The CRA calculates automatically based on your previous tax returns or this year if you're gonna fill your tax return. Those 3 benefits are available to most newcomers. The fourth one is especially for newcomers who are working but earning a lower income. And the most people don't understand, you can receive this money even if you owe nothing. They still pay. If this video is helping you understand the Canadian tax system, subscribe to this channel. I make videos especially to help newcomers and workers in Canada avoid costly mistakes. The Canada Work Benefit is a refundable tax credit for working newcomers with modest income. Refundable means even if you own zero tax, you're still receiving this as a payment. In 2026, up to $1,665 for a single person and up to $2,800 for families. You can also receive advance payments quarterly throughout. Reclaim this directly on your tax return. The CRA calculates it automatically if you qualify. I promise you at the very start 3 ways to file your tax completely for free, and here they are. And one of them requires no software, no form, and no experience at all. Option first, tax-free clinic. CRA run the community volunteer income tax program. Trained volunteers file your tax completely for free. They have virtual and in-person options right now available across the Canada. Many of these clinics especially have volunteers who speak multiple languages. Just go to the browser and search free tax clinic. Option 2, Netfile certified software. If you want to do it by yourself, use certified software like Well Simple Text, or if you want to go more advanced, then TurboTax, but there's a paid version available. You can use the Well Simple Text. They are free. They walk you through every step. And if you have direct deposits set up, and your refund can arrive in just 8 business days. The third option is CRA Simple File. This is the big one for 2026. It opened on March 9. Usually you need an invitation, but this year there is a new eligibility questionnaire on Canada.ca. If your income is modest and your situation is simple, you can file just by answering a few questions online or over the phone. No software is needed. One crucial rule for the first time filers: when you file your very first Canadian, you can only report income earned after the date you arrived in Canada. You might have to list your worldwide income for benefit calculations, but you don't pay Canadian tax on money you earn back home before coming to Canada. The deadline, don't miss this. The filing deadline for 2026 is April 30. This is also the deadline to pay any tax you owe to avoid interest. If you are a self-employed, you have until June 15 to file. File early. The sooner you file, the sooner you get that new grocery and essential top-up payment coming this June. Before you go, which of these 4 benefits surprise you most? GST credit, the new grocery benefits, the child benefit, and for the worker. Drop the number 1, 2, 3, or 4 in the comment. Your answer. Tell me exactly what to explain in the next video. If you are on a filing, watch next video, because there is a taxable income and getting this wrong could cost you refund. See this here.